Hey everyone, so I thought I'd just jump on quickly just to give you a quick view of the difference in beaches at the other end of the island. So I've jumped in a taxi just for a short, I think it's about a 20-minute drive up the other end of the island, and I've just walked into one of the more rich resorts, I guess you could say. It's called Vinpearl, and all the resorts along here have their own private beaches, which is something I massively disagree with on island locations. Beaches should be for everyone to access. Unfortunately, in these places, they're not. It's only the rich that can access it. Look, I even got questioned at the gate myself with regards to what room I'm staying in. And I said, look, I just want to have a look around. I'm planning on staying here next year. It's easy to lie your way in to these kind of places, especially if you will probably never have the money to stay in places like this. So I thought I'd just give you a quick look of the beach here first. And as you can see, it is pristine. Wide open beach, sand, a little bit of rubbish, but not much. I'm assuming they have people walk up and down here quite regularly with regards to picking up rubbish. There's also some buoys in the water there, or buoys if you like. I'm assuming they're perhaps maybe stopping some rubbish getting to the beach, or that's just the designated swimming area. I'm not real sure, maybe it's just a swimming area. Anyways, we'll go up the beach now into the resort to show you the most ridiculous pool I've ever seen. The pool at my resort is probably about, I don't know, 25 meters by 15 meters wide. This pool here is perhaps one of the biggest pools I've ever seen, ever. But look at the beautiful grounds. My God, if I had the money. Maybe one day. As you can see, there's not many people around Phu Quoc in general at the moment. It's low season. The prices are a lot cheaper at the moment due to it being low season, which is great. People don't come here obviously because it's also the wet season, i.e. the low season, so people are a bit put off by the rain, but so far I haven't seen any. All I've seen is pretty much blue skies. But just look at this pool, it's massive. Goes right up and around a corner here. So just over there, just huge. I've never seen something so big. Anyways, that's all I'll video now. I just want to, what is there? Kid over there getting in trouble for some reason. Anyways, we'll leave this here. If you got any questions, please do ask. This is my second day here, so I definitely don't know everything about this island, but it's good to come and have a look at the different accommodations that you can stay in, because there's huge differences. Oh, we already knew that. We know there's huge differences in accommodation, and it just depends on how much you're willing to pay. But yeah, I hope this gives you a good overview of one of the better resorts on this island called Vinpearl. Alright, I'll leave it here. Bye.